messy so. Na me go show me do. Na me your bedroom me feel.
What minimum that can't tell me some come on to money men quan sala any money you. Now girls no money on campus are no more chammy. Girls no money none now has no more chammy. Oh big mama bane a chammy or has say. Now member fear not back you know after the open say showing between China and the girls. Young quan sound. It's in the men coming to you and tin me you will be answered. Why I say?
Don't behaving like that.
Jadok can't tell me no crime, mommy book.
Why you behaving like that?
Maybe behaving like that. Maybe behaving like that. Woman in campus, I watch me now, watch me now, I feel what I met you dinner, who didn't crap and it. What can I say? I'm who I am, spy when I am my steady in our house. Share.
Santua, judge your church and men pesa.
And Cassam no crunch me.
Me judge your man.
Wait, all the toilet teaching in our family.
Hey, why are you shouting? Huh? Why are you shouting? Huh? Why are you shouting? Huh? Why are you shouting, Nasantua? Why are you shouting?
Why am I shouting? Why am I shouting? Who beside me say why am I shouting? And crown now did do which you had na who man on whom change one side na cast me home.
Just or the apobia by
and now pass him. May about follow my own. What make that boy's voice need HD?
Or follow my
I don't know. It is to say I'm very real. You maybe I'll be for me such like the downfall.
Shame. Would you trust you? If you see, would you trust you? Who send me a collaboration? If you are not making value,
what child biology be? I mean, no format now. The number minimum format in the minimum. And your biology say be out your biology.
Says our format and I'm the
aha. What's your biology?
I trust you. Trust you.
Me who know be more one side than me to your school high better than you would.
But that was you're supposed to pay my now with three teachers who say I lock it by 4 months.
Ma'am, scan no call.
Unlock it. Why?
Minya ba said you can meet you. Mami sika.
Santua, we stand in the cloud. Don't do hey. Hey. And you need your move and you need your gym class.
And I may catch you. I said, now I catch on. So one yesterday, I met poor girls in the 1-1, met poor girls in the 1-1. Come on, be a talker. Me from
teacher need move once. You feel school. He tells us some 20 misses in the phone. He used to try to send me over phone issue. Every look here. Because to see a school pianos, I think what they're there.
I am a brand here, messy so. Na me go show me do. Na me your baby, me fabia. Say yes, he can.
Shut up! Your post school that I ran a modern squad and then a compound. Oh, sir. You finished the school, but you didn't wear uniform then. You said how? Sorry, I'm sorry. But sorry, me other so I'll show you. Yeah. Trouble. Hey. So now you get 10 out of 10. You are funny. You are funny. Go. Hey. You, this girl, I warn you in this school. I'm going to see a seminar. I won't school. I won't man. I can't talk feel. Someone in your home. That could see me see the book. What to wash was wrong. Can't check. What kind of fucking behaving, Ben?
Sir, please don't let me disrespect you.
Hello,
I'm not your daughter.
Sir, mommy can so send skin anything. But bomb will send a 3 minutes.
Baba will send 3 minutes. Say
3 minutes.
Why do you know what the name school and I would you bossing on Madame for what do you drink a scene and I'm on? Huh?
Sir,
Kato Jimmy come show us someone what down do which about you so again a madam for no na wo discuss what the why joining na mo which
my yeah.
John boy.
I told you to hold on, I'll get back to you.
Eh. When you teach me kasa, then you call your boyfriend. Let me tell you something. Sa niema na modi nam school na okokoko kontokwa no. When nyai dia wo kire na wo be what?
Sir, to begin with, I'm not your daughter. And then the fact that you don't pay my school fees for me doesn't mean you can't tell me what to do. You can't live my life for me. Sir, I've seen you. I've heard you've been having an affair with that boss lady Santua girl.
Eh,
Sir.
Can't you shame to touch your teacher rubbish? Can't you shame? You don't even just respect your teacher. Eh?
Sir, respect is reciprocal. Respect is reciprocal, sir. Respect yourself, then I respect you.
I told you, I warn you. Over tomorrow, Punafuna, Munkochina Bonting. In this school, one, I'm over to some plan. Ah, now when the man could only vehicle, I don't open school, no, Diana. Stupid girl. I said, stupid girl. I insult you. I insult you.
Sir, don't let me exchange words with you. It's not nice. You see,
I need to change the words.
Nice.
I need to change the words. Then you see.
Sir, the next time you talk to me like this, I'll expose you. I'll tell you.
When you talk to you like that, what are you doing? When you talk to you like that, what are you doing?
So I'll tell the whole school what you're doing.
Tell the whole school. I'm ready. Tell the whole school. Stupid girl. You don't even just respect. Guntu. Obati etia. Who was school here?
You know you have a heart of gold and it shines through everything you do.
I'm really tired, Aroma. I'm really tired.
Kanin, please.
Cause you let us go back and forth. Every time you're apologizing, every time we are fighting, like every time there's something going on.
Kanin, you know I'm a gangster, so you need to take me as such. You know that's how we behave.
Why are you a gangster? Why can't you just change?
I'm trying, Kanin. It's not that I'm not trying.
I can't see that you're trying.
I'm trying my best,
You're
Kanin.
not.
I am. Please forgive me.
I can't even look into your eyes anymore. You're a liar.
Kanin, please. This is real. I love you, Kanin. How do you expect me to forget about you just like that?
Come on. You don't.
You think I don't love you, Kanin?
Yeah.
That's what you think?
Yeah.
I love you.
You don't. You don't.
What do you want me to do? Can you just tell me what you want me to do? I promise you I'll do it, please. What do you want me to do?
I'm not interested anymore.
Kanin, don't let's drag these things. Kanin, please.
I'm really tired.
Can't you see I'm a changed person now? I'm changed.
What shows?
Everything shows, Kanin. Look at the way I'm dressed. Dude, I'm not wearing that sneakers. Kanin, look. I'm not with the toothpick. Come on, I've changed.
I don't believe you.
Kanin, please. Trust me. Please, just
I've given
one.
you like 4 chances. Every time we break up, we come together. Every time.
One.
We are all over this
Kanin,
country.
trust me. One more chance, and I promise I'll be the person that you want me to be. Trust me, just one more chance. Please.
I just need time to think about this.
Kanin, you need time.
Because I can't be risking my heart. Every time I'm crying, every time Precious, what is wrong? Every time somebody's approaching me, every single time I am crying.
I know.
I
Kanin.
even have dark circles because of you. I'm really tired.
I know I messed up, Kanin. But please forgive me. That's why I'm apologizing. I know I'm the one at fault here.
I have to think about it.
Kanin, please. Please, Kanin. Hey. Kanin. See, you're smiling, huh? Please forgive me. I promise I'll be the person you want me to be. See the way my heart is beating, Kanin. You know, this heart beats for you, Kanin. The day you walk out of my life, that will be the very day this thing will stop functioning. You want me to die? You don't, right? Please. Huh? You know I love you.
No.
Into my eyes. Huh? Are you forgiving me? Are you sure? I need to hug you all day.
I am a brand here, Messi, so Let me go show me door. Let me see your baby, I'm a baby.
Okay, well, every day I saw you on school, but you are a cool girl. Wow. That's good.
That's how I was raised.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. By the way, you know something? I love you, eh? Because sometimes now you are collabing a whole job. The person coming out to see.
Sir, what do you mean by that? I don't get you.
Oh, but it's something like if I say, oh, you're my girlfriend. Let me take care of you. What?
No, I can't do that. I see you as a father. You're like a father to me.
Oh, yeah, me, oh, papa. Huh?
Obviously.
Tokuro boy, ni muna yonkura tokuro. Abi say me, oh, papa.
So all this while that you were treating me good.
Oh no,
That's what you wanted to tell me.
Listen. Don't say that. Say I'm your father. How can I be your father?
You're like a father to me.
Oh no, don't do that. Don't do that. Say me pe. Mama no want na wati.
I can't do
school
that.
won so me boa wo school se mu. Obi anso hu se bia me no wo sese ho. School fees will be bia wo ne man kete. I will provide you.
No, you can't. My mom takes care of me.
Oh, listen, Ejiwa, I know your mom take care of you, but take me as your boyfriend. Then I will take care of you.
I'm not interested.
I'll buy you brand new
Sir,
phone.
please, I can't do that.
I'll buy you iPhone 16
No.
Pro Max.
No, I can't do that.
You just think about
I can't do
that.
that.
Think about that, okay?
No, sir, no.
You think about that.
Oh, no.
Come.
No.
Come. Think about that, okay?
No. I didn't know you were like this. I really respected you. Oh.
Hey, Ejiwa. Please, Ejiwa.
What's happening?
And just give your advice, just nothing.
Mr. Maye, I smell a rat.
You smell what? Is it pepper or onion?
I mean to say something fishy is going on. Because from the way the girl walked out on you, this is not normal.
Listen, nothing. You asked me, I told you nothing. So what am I doing?
Mr. Maye, you cannot play a smart one on me.
Who plays smart?
You.
Please,
you want to outsmart me and I will not take it.
Please.
How can a student walk out on a teacher and you call this? How on earth would this happen?
I told you his advice. Nothing.
And Tefuto Banana would do too now. She will have that effrontery to walk out on you.
Yeah, Futu, me and I'm say, Uncle. And you people near the bonnet so. And they, Bibini. Black woman. Black woman.
Mr. Imaye.
Oh, shit.
Whatever the case is, please. I have an eye like a hawk on you. May more close mark. Because what just transpired, you not tell me it's an advice you are giving a student who will walk out on you and you stand as if you are dumb. You look at her walk out on you sheepishly.
Madam, shut up! Can you imagine? Look at you.
Imaye.
Shut up. I don't like you.
You're telling me to shut up.
I say I don't like it.
Once a student just walked out on you.
I don't like it, okay?
This one that he is acting all boisterous, is everything fine? Now, Imaye, I watch you.
You can't even guess what just happened.
What happened?
That man, that teacher, Mr. Maye or something.
What has he done?
Just told me that he likes me.
Are you being serious here? Are you being legit?
That man. Oh God. Do I look that low to him?
No. What happened? You explain.
He just met me and told me that he likes me and blah 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 blah. So all this time that he's trying to be there for me and come to me and I'm always dodging.
He's not good though, I told you. He's
That
a very
man is
bad
so
man.
bad.
I've been hearing his news, but
Really? When I had a problem, he was the one who helped me solve it. So I thought, oh, he's a good man. Every time MIA is good. Every time I'm defending him, not knowing he's that
not
bad.
Good. Go and tell Aroma.
Come on. He's the last person I'm supposed to tell right now.
Why?
He's so bad-tempered.
He's your boyfriend.
No,
If somebody
on.
is harassing you, you have to go and tell him.
No, he's always fighting every time. Do you want him to fight him?
Well, if you don't want to go and tell him, fine.
No, I can't. Aroma is the last person I'll tell.
So who are you going to tell? Are you going to the DC or what?
Help me. Who should I tell?
Then let's go to the DC and report him.
Isn't that too far?
But he's harassing you.
He's a teacher.
So?
I'm going to get into trouble. He's going to hit. It's his word against mine.
But you're being honest.
They wouldn't
It's
know.
the truth.
They wouldn't know. Anderson, help me.
I don't know what to do, girl. Go and tell Aroma. Aroma is your boyfriend. That's all I
don't think I can tell him. He's going to get angry and fight him.
But he's your boyfriend. If somebody is harassing you, you have to tell him.
There are so many problems that are coming up with my name.
Okay. So what do you want me to do?
I don't know.
You're saying I should help you and I'm telling you what to do and you're saying Aroma blah blah blah. I don't know.
Do you think I should tell my parents?
Tell your boyfriend first. He's in the school with you.
He's going to fight.
Yeah. Let him fight. Let's go. Let him go to him and confront him. Stay away from my girlfriend.
Oh no. I think I have to tell my mother.
Yeah, tell your mother. That one too is too far.
Really?
Aroma is in the school with you, so why don't you go to him and tell him?
He's going to stay up the whole school, fight.
But you're going to tell your mom. Your mom will come to
boyfriend.
School. Your mom will come here.
I think that's
she will
better.
come here. No.
Because I'm going to be in serious trouble.
Go and tell your boyfriend. Period. Go and tell your boyfriend.
Okay, I'll think about it.
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a Fabia. Say, in yes, you can, I'm pen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby.
It's me, Miss Hannah. Good day. I'm doing well. Yourself?
I'm good.
Are you offering me a seat or?
No, let's stand in to talk.
Okay, that's fine. I'm here in connection to certain misappropriations that are happening in the school, which of course you are the centermost. Please and please, it will be in your interest to lend me a listening ear. Are you ready?
You can talk.
Alright, sir. It has come to the notice of the school authorities that you go about frolicking with the girls. I mean, you make advances on the students.
Who told you?
Excuse me, you can't act dumb. Because every look and cranny in the school knows about this. So why are you acting up? Samaye. Whatever is going on concerning your negativity lays bare. Every Tom, Dick and Harry in the school knows about this. The earlier you stop it, the better. Because in no time, if we see that it is not curbing and it's getting out of hand, we would have no other option other than to rusticate you. I mean, we will dismiss you. We will strip you off your life.
Hey, madam, stop it! Stop it!
What do you mean?
I said stop it! Do you have evidence?
I have no evidence.
So you don't have evidence, but you talk like you have evidence.
Funny you. You think I would come here rant without any concrete evidence? We have evidence. And we have audios. We have letters that you wrote to students, proposing love to them. Mr. Mai, it would be in your interest to set up. That is, if you want to continue your profession as a teacher. Because these are not part of the norms. Why that man?
Mama can't someone show. I don't know why I'm or time as a teacher. A German teacher, me teaching how am I? The simple person school more dear na me a man my a child my na the child my tomorrow my a day. What am I doing? What am I doing?
That is as a result of your recalcitrant behavior. Mr. Maye, Baba, the school nurse, told us all that you have been doing.
or the vices you are engaged in. So the earlier you stop it, the better, like I have earlier said. I don't know was school now, we are aware. It's in light. So if you think that you are meandering through and then misappropriating funds, now what's Mr. Seta, because in no time the authorities will call you. You will stand in front of the panel and you have to defend this.
You're joking. No what? Me? What for someone ya na me jai school na mama na mo good school no. But listen to me and listen to me very careful. Try enya dia me jai school ne night. A jai school ne cha. Me nya mama nya sa mo niema no corruption na mo ye no. Me mama nya sa de no. Entina mo trying to accuse me. And so now complaining time to accuse?
Really?
Complaining time to accuse?
Really? You start to apportion blame when you know on the contrary that you are at fault. Mr. Maye, I have come to warn you. I have come to warn you.
You better to get out of here. I tell you what time baby was school you. And could I don't get some issue what they want to permasem. Don't give you baby. My, it was funny. And you yak me what? Come on, Falco, teach you to our fish, man. I want fish in be. What you be? What you be no one right? One a young cocoa want to be. Says two phone call and so more when crab ponia. This makes you almost a penny bonny. So almost what we are sharing now, Miss Metro me a danduruana. Stupid why you are, madam. Look at the way you're talking to me. Rubbish stuff.
I am a brand here, Messi, so let me go show me do. Let me see your baby, I'm a phobia. Say, in yes, you can't unpen my show. See, I've been looking out for my baby, and I wanna know if you could do for me.
Hello, sweetheart.
Please. Are you calling me?
Yeah, I'm calling you. I want to talk to you.
Go back. You can talk for until you're standing there.
Okay. By the way, I want to know your name.
I'm Anderson.
Anderson.
Yeah.
Wow, such a nice name. I'm here for what?
Medase.
Okay.
What are you doing? What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
Relax for me.
Talk. I'm in a hurry.
Okay. I'm even speechless.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Should I go?
No, relax.
Then talk.
Anderson,
What?
please, don't be annoyed. What my brother is trying to tell you that like Ophileo, and on campus, everyone knows you are the what beautiful girl on campus.
Yeah, I know that one there for sure.
Are you
being serious?
You're just a nice girl, baby girl.
Bear more scared.
Chill, relax. This skirt is just a permanent wear.
Are you for real? You are giving me some gay shit.
Oh, Anderson.
Where you gay on?
Please. Relax.
So don't you know?
Listen.
Don't you know?
What?
Don't you know that Wasti is my boyfriend?
Oh, now stand there. Church ready. Obi afubi. So if
Fuck you. What catch him say
Fuck
church?
me?
Hey, may you church or mal?
Charlie, fuck me.
Hey, chill, relax.
Don't touch me.
It's about you and me.
I don't like. I have a boyfriend.
So
You don't
Charlie.
even respect calling me church. What do you mean by church?
Charlie, see, my friend likes you.
I
It's
don't
just
like
that.
him.
Who is Wasti you are talking
Wasti? For what's in film?
Who is Wasti?
Don't you know Wasti?
Charlie.
The guy in
Big boys
dreadlocks.
are talking. I tell him
Big
to Wasti.
boys.
What's Wasti?
You are big boys.
Charlie, now me join say one whole fair no.
Dog again.
No. Charlie, say kasa bahat.
Share.
Kasa kranje. Oh,
Hey.
fine girl like you.
Charlie.
Talk mercilessly.
So you don't know me.
Who are you? Charlie.
You don't know me.
I want to see pan.
No farmer some film is on call.
Charlie, have catch us. Say, I get on. Dog again.
Hey, boy,
And the
against them going life.
Get there. Or you lie about Charlie and Kasa.
But I don't cast Charlie different from the face, you know. Malenko.
Yo mathematical. Slow they were too quiet. Yo mathematical. Wo pe school I mean who some emperor wasem. Ah? O sure say penku what? sure sate. Ah, who chira who be on skirt na say who nyere ho.
Skirt in school na de ma mi.
School na de ma wo no hwade say obi. Hwe. Mo be school na mo be sua de no. A massam guess. And I'm here, baby. Who say school master me? I don't want to see you cry.
Assignment de ma na me.
And I will do so me boy. Ya ma assignment and I will do so me boy.
My assignment ni Iddi come.
Oh, when you me mo bo papa what I will say. Oh, when you me mo bossing students ni nyina wo. Na ya na mo awofo mo ti fie tue fees. Na mo de bo mo hwe me boy. A massam and a more ye.
It be the assignment you give us.
It be the assignment to give us. Who give you assignment?
My be you.
You be me.
Yesterday you give us the assignment. You don't understand.
If you not be quiet, I will slap you.
Assignment na de ma ne ho kra na ebusa na osa betu si ya oni ye.
Also, kami bie na je be nanka o so asi mi tia na san na da TikTok.
Pa choma yi.
So she almost student na show that TikTok no. O join bi na ne ba. Come on, nyina free ah. We free anko.
Say you shouldn't be talking to us like that.
I say move.
You shouldn't be talking to us like that. Say.
That's what kind English.
Yeah. We need the school na de ma mi. I'm saying for the meantime.
If you for yawa.
Say the assignment we are going to do.
If the assignment, who give you assignment?
You gave us the assignment, say.
We give us.
You gave us the assignment yesterday.
Come. Do you know Ariyesu?
No sir.
You don't know Ariyesu. You know actually say Ariyesu. What?
Say if I say something, you say I don't respect. Every day you
come mekun. What? Come mekun.
Say. Please.
Come on, let's see me. John Jollof. See me.
I say if na you three. I say ho akono. I want me cry.
The assignment is
rough me boy. Ah?
I want me kwa don kuma kwa yo.
Hey, come. No, explore you say Nkrumah kwa na come.
Put through idiot. My
Say. Come. You be funny, come. Oh, come close up. Come. My.
But I want to ask you one question.
Oh, you can ask me.
The last time I checked, you was a tree teacher, but I see your books are English books.
It's not English book, Japan book.
You be Japan?
Yeah.
So you speak Japanese?
No, Hiroshima. Japan ne Ashantis no.
Na obi a che tree the Japan book the other.
Come closer.
Come
closer.
What think I bomb sisi ese come
closer. I want to pa back closer pa on ka betu wadwene mu say pa.
My.
Come on, bo wadwene mu say pa.
Sentina me say ba.
Say assignment na dem man any Google.
No
any Google it yeah.
I told you don't call me sir, call me Mmaye.
Mmaye.
Say Mmaye ni so na say say.
Come on tell oh. Wait, Papa Jimmy call.
The person me who as a change.
Go. What at san.
Say
Change where the wow.
Say change.
If you call me say change, I will never do you can change.
Say change.
You call me say change. I will never do you say change. Call me say change. And call you student. Can you close up to me? Can you close up to me? Come. Babu, come on, wow, mama, na beto.
My.
I do